to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing cheesy corn, bacon and herb muffins. I found this recipe, I used plant-based stuff, let's stuff that, let's get on and make the real deal. About 100 grams worth of bacon, I've given that a bit of a dice. I'm just going to cook that off lightly just to render down some of the fat. It's not going to take very long at all, so around about sort of 4 or 5 minutes or so. Right, so just keep stirring that around. Don't make it crunchy. Please leave your bacon a little bit blonde for this particular recipe. It won't work if it's crunchy. Right, 2 cups of self-raising flour into a bowl, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to add in around about 1 cup of milk. That can go in 250 mils worth. I'm also going to add in 60 ml of olive oil, good quality of course, and 300 grams worth of corn kernels, just a can of corn that you buy from the supermarket. In this case I actually got frozen corn, gave that a bit of a blanch. Good dash of some Italian herbs that can go in. Right, buy the Italian herbs that you like. I've just bought those from the supermarket. We're going to add in our bacon and all that bacon fat. Make sure you try and get all that bacon grease in there. It's going to add so much more flavour to these beautiful little muffins. Okay, I'm also going to add in about 100 grams worth of shredded cheese. Use the shredded cheese that you'd like. I mean, I've got my preferences. You might have a cheese that you like as well. Right, give all of that a good stir, and it will slowly come together. Alright, I've got a muffin pan. I've given that a bit of a grease with a little bit of butter, right, a little bit of lubrication, and all we have to do now is get our mixture and divide that evenly into our muffin pan. Right, it's a 12 muffin pan, if that makes sense. My oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, a magic number of course for the KP's Kingdom, and so we're just going to divide these up nice and evenly like that, and all they have to do now is go into the oven at 180 degrees for around about 30 minutes, right, or until they come out looking something like that. How good do they look? Right, give them a couple of minutes to cool down a little bit. We can plate those up and we can serve these with whatever dipping sauce you like. I've decided to go with a little bit of Vietnamese dipping sauce and a little bit of ketchup menace, a nice sweet soy. Sour cream would work, cottage cheese would work, anything that you like, even a ranch dressing. But anyway, love to see you try and make these ones at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want a nice, quick, easy little dish like this one. A little bit of a side type deal. Great little party type fare. Well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my cheesy corn bacon muffins with herbs, and I will catch you next time. Bye.